Lucy. Ah, we've spotted Lucy. So we go and watch her take off. Is there another plane coming? Must be. Oops. She's still there. That's the only thing when you're out and zoom. One little move. I think there she goes. She's winding up. And she's off. Up and away. Anyway, let's go and see this battleship up here. So there's a little battleship came in yesterday, I think. I'm sure it came in yesterday. A bit on the quiet side, but there she is. We're going to walk over that bridge and we're going to walk from here across there to go and see this battleship. Right. There's a battleship there. Don't know what type of battleship, warship she is. Anybody know? Leave it in a comment, guys. But she's got some rocket things. She's got a gun in the front. It's the only thing when you're zoomed in, slightest move. There's quite a lot of technology on this ship, really. Loads of stuff. Aerials, satellite dish, big massive satellite dish, big oops, focus. It's the only thing about this camera, it's so slow at focusing. Those big domes. These are all some sort of like satellite things, aren't they, really? I don't know, some submarine, maybe submarine ship, to check submarines or something. Oh. Anyway. There she is. hiding in. Right, we've got to go in, guys, because look at out there. That's pouring the rain. That's raining there. Whoa, it's coming here. Right. Oh, something's going on there. I think it's for the armed forces here. We've got some sort of venue going on here because of that ship, I think. Right, I think we've got to make a quick sharp exit, Lucy, before this camera gets destroyed. Yeah, poor old Lucy got soaked. It's absolutely soaking. The sun's come out. I don't know how long for. Those horrible grey clouds. So literally we're just walking back now. Go home and get a cup of tea, Lucy, yeah? Lovely cup of tea. Yeah, everything looks beautiful when it's like just the rain's just stopped. Yeah. So we're going to make our way back and put all these videos together, guys, and then show you everything. That's a lovely little walk here, really, by London City Airport. I quite enjoy it. It's just big space. There comes a big one. Here comes a big bird. Big bird coming in. I like to see all the smoke coming out of the tyres when they land. But that's one-handed. I've held the camera, but as soon as I move, because of the zoom, there it goes out of focus. Come on, Lucy. Let's go home before the old rain comes. Right, guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm hopefully, if the weather's alright tomorrow, I'll probably go to the coast. I'm not too sure what the weather's like, really. I think it's, we've got a very dreary summer coming up. I heard it's going to be a very wet summer. So, hopefully we'll get some specks of sun. But I'm going on holiday soon to Turkey, so I'll be doing loads of vlogging that way. Loads of videos and stuff. Catch you soon.